Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add meta tags to your Wix website pages for SEO. Meta tags are essential for helping search engines understand what your pages are about, and they can significantly improve your site's visibility in search results. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. First, go to the Wix website and log into your Wix account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard, look at the left navigation menu, and click on Site and Mobile App. A drop-down selection will appear, giving you several options. From here, click on Website to proceed to your website settings. Now you'll see a preview of the website settings you currently have. Take a moment to make sure that this is the correct website where you want to add meta tags to a page. This step is important because if you manage multiple sites, you want to ensure you're working on the right one before making any changes. From this page, locate the Design Site button on the top part of your screen. It's typically beside a pen icon, making it easy to spot. Click on this button to move forward with editing your site. You'll now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. This is where all the magic happens for customizing your site's appearance and settings. On the left navigation menu, locate the Pages and Menu button and click on it. This will open up a list of all the pages you currently have on your Wix website. Take your time browsing through the list to find the specific page where you want to add your meta tag. Once you've located the page you wish to add a meta tag to, hover your cursor over it. You'll notice a three-dot icon appear, which is also known as the More Actions button. Click on this icon to reveal additional options for that particular page. A page menu will appear with several choices. From this page menu, select SEO Basics. This is the key section where you'll be able to optimize your page for search engines. Once you click on SEO Basics, the side menu will expand to show you more detailed options. Scroll down through this menu until you see the title tag and meta description fields. This is exactly where you'll be adding your meta tag for your Wix page SEO. These fields are crucial because the title tag appears as the clickable headline in search results, while the meta description provides a brief summary of what your page is about. And there you have it. You've successfully accessed the meta tag fields for your Wix page, allowing you to optimize your site for better search engine visibility. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.